What's the meaning of close down? Close down. Close down.
Close down. Close down. Close something down means to shut or terminate a particular operation, system, program, or business. This action can be voluntary or involuntary, and may occur due to a variety of reasons such as financial problems, lack of demand, legal issues, or simply because the project is no longer needed. The result of closing something down can vary depending on the context. For example, if a company shuts down its operations, it may result in job losses for employees and affect the overall economy. Similarly, shutting down a computer program may result in loss of unsaved data and potential disruption of workflow. In general, closing something down usually results in a significant impact on the affected parties.